However, a lot of mold sick people can't take in those good fats because the bile, we were just talking about that, the bile in the bile duct is really gummed up. So you want to make sure that you're using a highly absorbable DHA. I like Alight Health Formulas. Full disclosure, I'm part of that. I'm the medical director for them. And the reason I like it is because I get to choose the formulas that are right for mold sick people. So I like theirs because it's in the natural triglyceride form, which doesn't require as much of a healthy bile biliary situation. So you can be on binders, you can be, mycotoxin loaded and still get your good fats in, which is the same problem for vitamin D and the same problem for vitamin A. I like Genestra's emulsion, which is emulsified, and then liposomal D is the form that I use with mold sick people. Do I think nystatin is a good enough pharmaceutical antifungal, or do you prefer a more systemic one? Really depends on your case. I'm sorry. That's a personal medical advice thing. I can tell you when I'm using pharmaceuticals, I always keep the herbs on board. I start with herbs and I add the pharmaceutical if needed. You can get better from mold without a pharmaceutical antifungal. I'll say it again. You can get better from mold without an antifungal pharmaceutical, but you do need to be using antifungal herbs in a pharma way, in a big way, not just like, oh, I ate a garlic clove today, that's my antifungal. That's a great place to start in the beginning, especially if you're really herxing from antifungals, but we've got to move you up from there. So the herbals I'm using 3-4 times a day, that's the key with herbs.